Welcome to the first episode of the Making Math Visible video series, where we make the process of solving problem sums visible through the use of easy-to-follow math strategies. Hi, my name is Chris Siu. I'm the Chief Trainer at Math Accelerator Center. Many of you may know me as the PSLE Math Turnaround Specialist, who has helped hundreds of students improve their math results within a short time. I wanted to start this video series as I've been receiving a lot of inquiries from parents regarding the various strategies to solve problem sums. Many parents are facing certain difficulties in explaining the problem sums to the children. I wanted to help them by showing them the right techniques in solving various types of problem sums. Through the series, I hope to help parents and students improve their understanding and confidence in tackling problem sums. Based on the questions that I'll be receiving each week, I will select one or two to illustrate how I would solve it effectively using my score system, which is focused on visualizing the keywords in the question and turning it into simple models and tables that will help us to understand the question and find the answer. So let's begin with the question for this episode. For this week's question, we'll be discussing a P5 question that came out in a recent CA1 paper. This is based on the topic of whole numbers, and the strategy that we're going to use will be the comparison model. So let us begin by reading the question. There were a total of 183 50-cent, 10-cent and 5-cent coins in a container. There were 3 more 10 cents than 50 cents. The number of 5 cents were twice the number of 50 cents and 10 cents combined. How many 5-cent coins were there? After reading the question, we want to identify certain keywords that will help us to understand the question better. And the first set of keywords that we have identified will be this. There were 3 more 10 cents than 50 cents. Based on this statement, we will be able to draw a simple model to illustrate the 50 cent, which will be the 1 unit, and the 10 cents, which is a unit plus 3. Then the next set of keywords will be this. The number of 5 cents were twice the number of 50 cents and 10 cents. What this simply means is the total of 10 cents and 50 cents will give us 2 units plus 3. Therefore, the number of 5 cents will be double of this number. So, when you double up the value of 2 units plus 3, it will give us 4 units plus 6. So let us add in the model to help us understand better. So the model will look like this. And we put in the final information. The final set of keywords will be this, where the total of 183 50-cent, 10-cent and 5-cent coins in the container. So we will illustrate by putting 183 over here. So now we have all the information that we want, illustrate in a simple model like this. So with all this information, we are ready to solve the question. So we understand that the sum of 2 units plus 3 and 4 units plus 6 will give us a total of 183. So we illustrate this with a math statement. Then we simply rearrange to help us understand better. It will look like this. So from here, it will give us 6 units plus 9 equals to 183. Next, we will find the value of 6 units. Simply by subtracting 9 from 183, which will give us 174. So if 6 units is giving us 174, therefore, to find 1 unit, it will be 174 divided by 6, which will give us 29. Then we go back to the question. What are we looking for? We are looking for how many 5-cent coins were there. The number of 5-cent coins based on a model that we have illustrated over here is 4 units plus 6. So therefore, the number of 5-cent coins will be 4 units, which is replace 1 unit with 29. So 4 times 29 plus 6. And this will give us a total of 122. And there we have it. We have answered the question. And the answer is, there are 122 5-cent coins in the container. I hope you have learned some useful techniques in solving problem sums. If you have any questions regarding this problem, or you have a question that you want me to discuss in the next episode, do let me know in the comments below. If you want to find out more about the programs that we offer for students, you can visit our website at www.parkwaymath.com. That's www.parkwaymath.com. For the next episode, I'll be discussing a P6 problem sum, so stay tuned for the next episode, which will be up in a few days' time. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next episode.